Have you ever felt like the moment you start working on manifesting your desires, whether it's through affirmations, visualizations, or simply shifting your mindset, everything starts going wrong? It's like the harder you try to bring your dreams into reality, the more opposite happens. People, situations, even random events seem to conspire against you, making you wonder, did I lose my power? Or is the universe testing me? If this resonates with you, stick around because today I'm going to explain exactly what's happening and, more importantly, how to move through it with ease. First, let me say you're not alone. What you're experiencing is actually more common than you think. I've seen it happen to clients, friends, and even in my own journey. This phase, where everything seems to backfire, is not a sign that you're doing anything wrong. It's actually part of the process. In fact, it's a good sign. It means change is happening. But let's break it down so you can understand why it feels so chaotic and how to navigate this phase without giving up. When you start working with affirmations or visualizations, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind. But your subconscious doesn't just let go of old beliefs overnight. It's like planting new seeds in a garden. Before those seeds can take root, you have to clear out the weeds, and sometimes that means pulling up deep roots you didn't even know were there. This purge can feel like chaos because your old patterns, fears, and attachments are surfacing. You're clearing out the subconscious clutter to make room for your new reality. But here's the tricky part. During this clearing process, your subconscious might cling to what it knows, your current reality, and resist change. Now, there's another layer to this. When we put too much importance on something, whether it's manifesting money, love, or success, we create something called excess potential. Think of it like energetic imbalance. When you're hyper focused on your desire or emotionally charged about it, like needing it to happen right now, reality kicks in and balances that energy. And sometimes that balance shows up as things going the opposite way. It's not the universe working against you, it's the natural process of leveling out the energy. But don't worry, there are ways to work with this instead of against it. So, what can you do when it feels like everything's falling apart? Here are 5 steps to get back on track. Easy ones. First things first, detach from outcomes. Stop making your manifestation the center of your world. Instead of thinking, I need this to happen, shift to, it would be nice if this happened, but I'm okay either way. This takes the emotional charge off your desire and helps your reality flow naturally. Second, neutralize emotional reactions. When things seem to go wrong, practice neutrality. Remind yourself this is temporary. Everything is unfolding for my highest good. This keeps you calm and prevents you from amplifying the imbalance. Third step, focus on the feeling, not the thing. Manifestation works best when you embody the state of your desire instead of visualizing specific outcomes. Focus on how it feels to already have what you want. For example, if you're manifesting love, focus on feeling deeply loved and supported, not on the one specific person or situation. Fourth step, embrace the chaos. Look at the setbacks as signs that old energy is clearing out. Instead of fighting the process, lean into it. Say to yourself, this is all part of the transformation. My desires are on the way. In other words, call it a bridge of incidents. Stay consistent and light. Keep up with your affirmations and visualizations, but approach them with ease. Consistency is key, but desperation is not. Treat it like a fun game, not a life or death mission. Look, I know it can feel frustrating when everything seems to go wrong, But what if I told you that this phase is actually a sign your manifestation's closer than you think? Reality is reorganizing itself to align with your new state of being. And sometimes that means clearing out what no longer serves you, even if it feels uncomfortable in the moment. The key is to stay grounded, stay neutral, and trust this process is working for you, not against you. So, the next time life throws you a curveball while you're manifesting, remember, it's not a sign to give up. It's a sign to stay the course. You've got this. If this episode resonated with you, let me know in the comments. Have you experienced the manifestation purge? How did you navigate it? Share your story below. I bet it would help a lot of people going through this in the moment. And if you're ready to take your manifestation journey to the next level, check out my guided meditations in my guided breathwork series on my channel. These are designed to help you get into a state effortlessly, release resistance, and step into the life you deserve. Until next time, remember, everything is always working out for you, even when it doesn't feel like it.